Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class first year, today we have exercise 1.3 where we have to factorize the following equations into linear factors. Where question number 4 is p of z is equal to z square plus 4. Now you can see we cannot make a formula for z square plus 4, so we will write it as, because if here we need a minus sign, so to get minus sign in center we can write z square minus minus 4, minus minus again becomes plus. Now z square minus, for this minus sign we will use here over iota square, because we know that the value of iota square is minus 1. Now these two values can be written in the form of whole square. How? We can write z square as z whole square minus iota square 4 can be written as iota 2 whole square. Now using formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to, here we have a z and b iota 2, so it will become z minus iota 2 into z plus iota 2, which are linear factors. This is our required answer. Now question number 5, 3z square plus 7. Now how to write these two numbers in the form of whole square? We can write for 3 square root 3 whole square, and for z square z whole square. So for 3z square we will write square root 3z whole square. And now again making this plus in converting into minus. How? Minus into minus 7. Now writing for this minus 1 iota square and writing for this 7 square root 7 square. Now we have iota square into square root 7 square can be written in the form of one single square, that is iota into square root 7 whole square. Here we have square root 3z whole square. Again using the same formula, a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. We have here a is under root 3 into z and b is iota into square root 7. So we have a minus b into a plus b, which is required answer. Number 6. P of z is equal to z cube minus 2z square plus z minus 2. Now, to factorize this equation, taking z square common from first two terms, we have z square is common, z minus 2. And taking 1 common from third and fourth term, we have 1 into z minus 2. Now writing z minus 2 as common factor and z square plus 1 as non-common factor. Now we have to give answer in terms of linear factors, where z minus 2 is linear factor but z square plus 1 is not linear. So we will factorize it further. How? Writing z square, for plus 1 we will write minus into minus 1, and for this minus 1 we will write iota square. Now it will become z whole square minus iota whole square. By using formula a minus b into a plus b, it will become z minus iota into z plus iota into the last one is same as z minus 2. So the given equation can be written in the form of product of linear factors as z minus iota, z plus iota, z minus 2, which is our required answer. Now question number 7. Let p of z is equal to z cube plus 6z plus 20. Now directly we cannot factorize this equation. So we will use here a method you have learned in your grade 10, that is for z, if we have to put a value of z for which remainder should be 0 to find first factor. So for z equals to minus 2, p of minus 2 gives minus 2 whole cube plus 6 into minus 2 plus 20, which gives minus 8 minus 12 plus 20 equals to 0. Thus z plus 2 be one factor of p of z. So to find other factors, we will divide p of z by z plus 2. Z plus 2 dividing with z cube plus 6z plus 20, that is by p of z. Now first multiplying with z square, we have z cube plus 2z square Now by changing sign it will becomes minus 2z square. Now multiplying with minus 2z, we have minus 2z square minus 4z. Then we will get 10z plus 20. Multiplying with 10, we have 10z plus 20, remainder 0. Thus this dividend can be written as divisor into quotient, and remainder is 0. So no need to write remainder. Here quotient is z square minus 2z plus 10 and divisor is z plus 2. You can write first divisor then quotient. Okay. Now here this divisor is already a linear factor, but this is a quadratic equation. We have to factorize it further. Now how we will factorize it? Now you can see z square minus 2z. If we have one more term 1, then it can be written in the form of whole square formula, that is z minus 1 whole square. So we will write z square minus 2z for 10, 1 plus 9. So first 3 terms will become z minus 1 whole square. Why? Because this can be written as z whole square, this can be written as 1 whole square, and the center term is minus 2 into z into 1. Means we have a formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, which gives a minus b whole square. And for plus 9 we will write minus into minus 9. For this minus sign we will use iota square, and here we have square, which is not written here over mistakenly. This is also whole square. Okay. Now we have, now I have written it square. So this is z minus 1 whole square, and this will becomes iota square 9, which can be written as iota 3 whole square. Now we will use formula a square minus b square, which is equals to a minus b into a plus b. The last factor is same as z plus 2. So the required answer of the given equation is z minus 1 in minus iota 3 into z minus 1 plus iota 3 into z plus 2. These all three are linear factors. Thank you, students.